1 year ago, on March 12th, I declared our first public health emergency for COVID-19. At that time, there were still so many unknowns, not only in the nature of the virus, but what it would mean for our families, our workers, businesses, communities, and frankly, life as we knew it. This past year has been challenging and unrelenting, and folks have spent it worrying about the health and safety of their families and friends, worrying about finding work or being safe at work, worrying about the future of the business they built from the ground up, and worrying about making sure that they could keep the light and heat on at home. Sure hasn't been easy, and we never could have known that the toll this pandemic would take and the tragedy it would bring, especially for the families and loved ones of the 6,524 Wisconsinites who died from COVID-19 this year. And with those we lost in our hearts and in our minds, we are beginning to see the light at the end of the tunnel. We continue to expand and grow our vaccination program, and every day we are closer than yesterday to recovery. More than 1.7 million shots have been administered, with more than 1 million Wisconsinites having at least one dose, and another more than 610,000 having completed their vaccine series. And Wisconsin continues to be a national and regional leader in getting vaccines in arms. Just as it has been since day one, this has been an all hands on deck effort, and I want to take a moment to thank the countless dedicated Wisconsinites for their good work to get us through this past year. From the community leaders and good neighbors who have looked out for one another, to our folks at the Wisconsin National Guard, Wisconsin Emergency Management, and DHS, who jumped into action and haven't slowed down since. The partners in our local county and health departments were great. And of course, the nurses, doctors, healthcare workers, and providers who continue to serve on the front line of this pandemic, distributing vaccine and providing care and comfort to our loved ones battling the virus. So on behalf of Kathy and myself and the entire state of Wisconsin, thank you. Let's continue to work together to fight every inch together, and let's recover together.